Hey, welcome to Cooking with Matthew. Today we are going to do some quick snacks. Let's get right into the video. The first ingredient you need is marshmallows. Second thing you need is a Hershey's candy bar. And the last thing you need is a tiny bowl or like sauce holder. No, just get like a tiny bowl. I have this because it's So first, what you want to do is you want to get one marshmallow. Make sure it's only one marshmallow because I made a mistake 5 minutes ago. So don't use more than one marshmallow. This here you get boom, 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 and kaboosh. So this is the part where you're actually going to cook. So what you want to do is put the bowl in there and put it in the microwave. Don't put 30 seconds in the clock. Just wait to bake it 10 seconds and start the microwave and you're all done. Now you just have to wait. First thing that you want to do is that you want to stir it up, and if some of the chocolate's hard like mine, then that means you haven't microwaved it enough, so you gotta microwave it more. And that's it. So now you just stir it all up, and you should get this sticky pile of mess. And that's how you make this quick snack. Enjoy! Let's see the taste test. Oh, it stuck in my mouth.